Every time I open YouTube, my finger starts scrolling out of habit, and every few videos, this one title would show up: How to Stop Consuming and Start Creating. And it appears over and over again as if promising me a way out. I click it, hope I would finally change. However, every video I watch to stop overconsumption is me just consuming more. And that is the trap. The searching itself is the problem. Whether I search for a solution or inspiration to create something, the search will always trap me again. And although all creators claim they want to solve my problem and tell me something that works, in the end, they use the same bait techniques, all the catchy thumbnails and the retention style editing, with some relatable storytelling to just make me watch till the end. I believe this is the same with you guys. We spend 10 to 15 minutes watching someone begging us to stop watching, and well, obviously, that never happens. In the end, the algorithm postman will hand me just another letter, another cure video or something I'm into to watch next. Even after watching tens and hundreds of these, nothing changes. Because the cure is the lure to forever treatments. Every new information would exhaust us, make us feel more tired and less capable of thinking, wanna consume more and more, just passively. And you cannot look for how to stop consuming because there is no how. The only way out is absolute withdrawal. The consumption has to completely stop immediately. And you cannot search for ideas or inspiration or frameworks or use AI for help. The scary blank screen and a clueless mind is the solution. And trust me, it's exactly what I'm doing if I'm gonna upload this video. I'm talking to myself on a Word document, and that's my script. I would just end up recording the same stuff. But if you're still confused, how do you actually start creating when you feel brain dead and have a mind that produces no good or useful ideas? Then I can share what worked for me. But as editing is kind of pain, so I wanna keep this short. So I'll make a new video and it's coming next time. Till then, please wait and yeah, bye.